In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert picture in a comment in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel worksheet and find the cell where you want the picture to appear in the comment. When you are ready, click that specific cell. Take a moment to make sure the correct cell is selected, because your comment and any attached picture will be tied to the selected cell. After you click the cell, look up at the top of the Excel window. You will see the ribbon, which is the row of tabs and tools. Next, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. This tab helps you access features related to adding items to your sheet, including the tools you need for working with comments. Once you are on the Insert tab, pay attention to the options that relate to comments. Depending on your Excel version, the comment tools might appear in slightly different locations, but they should be grouped with the controls for adding or editing comments. If you see a section for comments, that is exactly where you want to focus your attention. Now, once you have the comment-related controls visible, you will choose the option that creates or opens a comment for the selected cell. If Excel already has a comment attached to that cell, you will be editing the existing one. If there is no comment yet, you will be adding one. Either way, the goal is the same. You want the comment editing area or comment box to be active, so you can place the picture inside it. With the comment box or comment editing area open, the next step is to add the picture. Continue looking for the command that lets you insert an image into the comment. In the instructions you are following, this is described as this device and import photo. That part matters because it tells Excel where you will choose the picture from. When you see an option such as this device, click it. This signals that you will select a file stored on your computer or the device you are using. At this point, you should not rush, because Excel may take a moment to open the file selection window. When that window appears, it usually shows your folders and files. From there, you can browse to where your image is saved. Now, import or select the photo. In the File window, click the image file you want to use, and then confirm with the Import or Insert action. The instruction uses the phrase Import Photo, which refers to selecting the correct image and then telling Excel to add it. After you confirm, the picture should appear inside the comment area. Take a quick moment to check the placement and scaling of the image within the comment. Depending on the size of the picture and your comment settings, the image may fit automatically or may appear a little large or small. The important part is that it is actually inserted into the comment, attached to the cell you selected at the beginning. Finally, make sure you exit the comment editing mode or move your cursor away from the comment so Excel saves it. You can then hover over or otherwise view the comment to confirm that the picture shows up when the comment is displayed. If it does not appear as expected, return to the comment for that same cell and repeat the insert photo process, ensuring you select the correct file. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.